Hello guys, achievement. That's your favorite poultry farmer. Now, before I tell you what we are about to do today, let me just tell you a little bit story. Now, I visited a rural poultry farmer. Then, when I got to her pen, she raised 300 bed. So when I got to her pen, I noticed something: flies all over her bed. Fly, the poultry house all over flies, and the litters were smelling. I was like, madam, what happened now? Why is flies all over your pen? Say she don't know. She has tried treating it. She don't know what to do now. So I told, okay, see what we'll do. Do you have charcoal? She said yes, she have charcoal. Okay, bring the charcoal. Now we blended the charcoal. Blend, you mean pounding? We pounded the charcoal. Now I was like, okay, do you have fresh wood shaving or sawdust? She said yes. We got a wood shaving. Now we applied. We have to move the bed to a separate angle so I will not disturb them. So, although don't forget, those beds were 4 weeks or 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks thereabout. Is it from 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you will start seeing flies on your pen because of the litter. So, we took the bed to the other end and just not to disturb them. So, we scooped the litters. We scooped out the old litters there that was already messed up. So, we brought in fresh litter. Now, we added sawdust in her litter. We added sawdust in her poultry pen. And now this is the magic. After we added sawdust, we use the blended charcoal on it, on the sawdust. So after we did that, we mixed everything together. Then till she slaughtered all her bed, there was no single fly and there was no smell. Yet nothing. There was no single fly and there was no smell. So today I'll be showing you guys how do I stop flies in my poultry house and how do I stop my litters to be smelling. And this toxic or facing smell they bring in that is harmful to your bed. Now I'll be showing you. You have now. Remember I told you guys always use wood shaving, but man, I've walked around Abuja and Nasarawa State wood stores. I couldn't get wood shaving. Like it was so serious. Since on Monday, I've been looking for wood shaving. I couldn't get wood shaving, so I'll be using sawdust for today's tutorial. I'll be using sawdust for today's lesson. See, so I'll be using sawdust. Now I'll be using charcoal. If you want your litter not to smell and not to attract flies, remember flies are kind of diseases to your bed because when they come, they might go outside and go and perch in the soccer pit, then come inside your bed. They are transferring diseases to your bed. That is one of the things your bed start dying. So how do I? So there are a whole lot of things that can make your bed to die. Remember how I showed you in my last video, my other video? Please go and see that video if you've not seen it. How to keep my how to whitewash your house to bring in your bed. Now I'll be showing the skill. First of all, remember I told you guys I've looked for wood shaving. I couldn't get wood shaving. I've gone to all the wood stores in Abuja, all the wood stores I know in Abuja and Nasarawa State. I couldn't get wood shaving, so I can't have any trouble to use sawdust. So this is what we'll be doing today. Okay, but please be very careful when you're doing it. Make sure you're on your nose mask. That's sawdust for you. Make sure you're on your nose mask. Let me show you. So first, yeah, release your sawdust. Remember the plan was to make it five make it 5 inches deep. You get? I have my rake here. Make sure you spread it through the house. Sorry. So that is what. So we are done with this guy. You see? So let's just Now we are done with. Now the next thing you will do now is get your blended charcoal. Yes, then this is it. You see, this is my blended charcoal. Okay, make sure you spread it around the house. Make sure you spread enough around the house. Trust me, this will save you a whole lot of diseases. Yeah, so this will save you a whole lot of disease. Make sure you apply it enough. So trust me, you will never see fly, never, and your litter will not smell. You get till you want to change them, till you feel like, "Ah, I want to change them, let me change them." So now you see, this is this is how to do it. Now the next thing is you are done with this guy. Now the next thing is to mix it together. Now it's very important mixing together so that the blended charcoal be mixed together. You get? Now let me show you. Just do the right thing. Just do the right thing from the beginning. Just do the right thing. Whitewashing your house, then introduction of wood shaving and all the stuff. Okay, let me show you. And funny enough now, these charcoals help to regulate dust. It helps to regulate the dust from the sawdust so it will not affect your beds. Okay, so after mixing them, trust me, your bed will enjoy. Okay, I think this is not actually enough. Let's add some another charcoal so that they will feel more comfortable. Just add enough for them, okay? So that, trust me guys, you will never, your pen will not smell and flies won't come into your pen. This is just a simple secret. There is no big deal about it. So let's mix it again. So guys, that's it. So we are ready for our birds. Our bird will be coming in next tomorrow. So these guys will enjoy themselves. Not that they will enjoy themselves. Okay, not no smell, no flies. I will show you how it is. Okay, so that is to regulate fly and smell in your poultry house. This is just the simple part to do it. Okay, now I don't know how your pen is or your bed. It depends on how big your bed is. Your pen, your poultry house is. This is how to regulate. It's no big deal. Just like I told you guys, do the right thing from the beginning. Do the right thing. You will enjoy your bed. Just do the right thing from day one, from whitewashing to you prepare your brooder, then brooding. Trust me. So now I'll be preparing my brooder now. I'm good to go. I'll just prepare my brooder. Remember how to prepare your brooder. Put newspaper, then you remove it after 3 or 2 days, after 3 or 4 days. Then remember after brooding, you enjoy yourself. My best, trust me, my best will enjoy themselves when it comes because this litter you will not see fly and my litters will not smell. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you've not seen my other video on how I whitewashed my house, go check it out. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like, hit at the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video you get it automatically. Okay, thank you so much. I see, man, that's your favorite poultry farmer. Thank you.